Long before Canada became a nation, its vast landscapes, forests stretching to the horizon, mighty rivers carving their paths, and majestic mountains standing tall, were home to diverse Indigenous peoples, each with their own rich cultures and histories. Indigenous peoples, encompassing the First Nations, Inuit, and Métis, have thrived for millennia, cultivating a deep and enduring connection with the land. Their wisdom and practices have sustained vibrant communities and ecosystems, reflecting a profound respect and understanding of nature. In the vibrant port of the 1500s, the air buzzed with the sounds of ships unloading their precious cargoes and the lively chatter of explorers engaging with the locals. The scene was a tapestry of discovery as cartographers meticulously charted new territories, driven by the insatiable curiosity and the promise of new lands waiting to be unveiled. Amidst the hustle and bustle, the spirit of adventure and the pursuit of knowledge thrived, marking a pivotal era of exploration that reshaped the world. In 1497, the intrepid explorer John Cabot sailed across the Atlantic and claimed vast territories in North America for England. A few decades later, Jacques Cartier ventured into the uncharted waters of the St. Lawrence River, laying the foundation for French influence in the region by naming it Canada. The French presence solidified in 1608 when settlers established Quebec City, marking the birth of New France, a thriving colony that would become a cornerstone of French culture and heritage in the New World. In the heart of Europe, tensions escalated as France and Britain clashed over control of the coveted territory. The landscape was marked by strategic maneuvers, fierce battles, and a relentless pursuit of dominance, each nation determined to secure its place in history. The 7 Years' War, a global conflict that reshaped nations, concluded in 1763 with the signing of the Treaty of Paris. This pivotal agreement granted Britain control over the majority of New France, laying the foundations for what would become British North America. In the early 19th century, the desire for self-governance began to resonate profoundly among Canadians. This period marked the beginning of a transformative journey toward autonomy, setting the stage for significant political and social changes. On July 1, 1867, a significant milestone in Canadian history was achieved as the British North America Act came into effect, uniting the provinces of Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia into the Dominion of Canada. This momentous event marked the birth of a new nation, with Sir John A. Macdonald stepping forward to become Canada's first Prime Minister, guiding the country into an era of unity and progress. In the late 19th century, Canada embarked on a remarkable journey of expansion, stretching its borders westward and northward. This period saw the inclusion of diverse provinces such as Manitoba, British Columbia, and Prince Edward Island, each bringing unique cultural and geographical richness to the nation. The expansion was a testament to Canada's growing ambition and unity. With the addition of Alberta and Saskatchewan to the Confederation, the Canadian Pacific Railway forged a vital link, uniting the nation from the Atlantic to the Pacific coasts and marking a significant milestone in Canada's history. Canada embarked on its journey towards full sovereignty in 1931, gaining legislative freedom through the Statute of Westminster. This pivotal moment allowed Canada greater autonomy in its governance. The final step in this process was achieved in 1982, with the patriation of the Constitution, marking the end of legal dependence on the British Parliament and solidifying Canada's status as a fully independent nation. With the establishment of its Constitution and the Charter of Rights and Freedoms, Canada has evolved into a united, diverse, and independent nation. Today, it stands as a beacon of inclusivity and freedom, embracing its rich cultural heritage and progressive values. Canada's journey from the ancient Indigenous lands to a vibrant and progressive nation is a testament to resilience, diversity, and unity. It is a rich tapestry woven with the threads of Indigenous heritage, multiculturalism, and collective strength, showcasing the enduring spirit of its people and the dynamic evolution of its society.